Today we are going to make banana ice cream. So these are the things we need. Ripened bananas, milk, vanilla extract, cashews, plums, icing sugar, cocoa powder and some treacle. If you want you can take food coloring also. For decoration I took berries and choco chips. So now let's get started. So now you have to take a banana like this and peel the skin. Now cut it into slices like this. You can take a parent's help if you are scared. The slices into this Ziploc bag. You have to keep this in the freezer for 3 hours. These are the frozen bananas. I have taken 6 bananas. Now I have the frozen bananas in this blender jar. And now I am going to pour 85 milliliters of milk. Now I am going to blend it. And now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to this blender. I'm going to blend it again. After mixing, the texture will be thick and smooth like this. Now I have separated the mixture into 3 separate bowls. I am going to add some plums to this mixture. And you have to mix it well. To the next bowl, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And you have to mix it well. To the last bowl, I am going to add pink food coloring. And then I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of icing sugar. I am going to mix it. The one we added plums earlier, to that we are going to add some treacle. Now we have 3 colors and 3 flavors. And I'm going to add some cashews to all of these ice creams. bowl like this and pour the mixtures we made. The first chocolate. And now spread it. For the next layer, I am going to put the strawberry. I'm going to add the last layer. Now take a thin clean and wrap the ball like this. You have to keep this in the freezer for 8 hours. This is after 8 hours. Now I'm going to open this. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching my video. You can press the subscribe button down below in the screen and press notification bell. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Bye. Oh, now that you today we are going to make banana ice cream. So now take the Ziploc bag, bananas. I have taken 6. These are the frozen pieces of bananas. I have taken 6. I have taken 6 bananas. the last bowl, I am going to add pink food coloring. The one we add listening. Oh. Special. Now I am going to add the next. This is after 8 hours. Now I am going to. This is after 8 hours. Hello, this.
Chocolate chips.
Hi guys. This is the final result, and now I'm going to serve it. Thank you for watching.